Okay, so here we have another website. Let's first check what it does. Let's run it. We're opening the AT&T page. We are entering devices for IMEI numbers, and we're checking them. So basically, this is a small project I built called the Playwright Sequential Validator. It automatically checks IMEI numbers on the website, so you don't have to manually type them one by one. What it does is open the real browser using Playwright. In our instance, it has been Chrome, and goes to the AT&T validation page and then submits its identifier sequentially. For every IMEI, it reads the results from the page and tells you if it is valid or invalid. And you can see in the terminal what everything is happening, and it saves the results in JSON file at the end. We have the output here. It's saved run as a JSON file. The key idea here is that it runs step by step, so it's stable and avoids issues you usually get with parallel automation. You can also tweak things like running and browser headless or slowing it down if you want to actually watch what's happening. So overall, it's just a simple way to automate a repetitive task and get structured results out of it. So basically, this is the constructor we used in Playwright. We have these magic values from our config file, and these are all the classes that we are importing. Structured results are saved. The data is saved in the structured results variable, and this is the main loop opening the browser, inputting values, checking for errors, and then if everything is okay, we close the browser and log our values, and that's it. Yep. Okay. See ya.